Yo guys, what's up? Today we are going to go over a very simple thing. This is how you can practice trading even when it's on Saturday like it is today, or tomorrow on a Sunday after church, or whatever you do on a Sunday after you're done watching football. Like, I don't know if you can see that in the background or not, but I have football on. Um, but with that being said, let me show you how to do this. If you have TD or get TD Ameritrade, if you already have it though, you're a step ahead. So you can go to live trading, and there's this little button called on demand up here. Just click it. Click OK. You go to whatever date you want. So let's go. I like Monday mornings. That's just my thing. And then we want to go 9/24. OK. And then what we do over here is you can do times of sales. I do active trader. So I'm going to pull this over here. Here's your quantities. So I want to do this 500 things. So you can speed it up if you want. You'll see that the time will start going faster and faster. This is just AMD one day, I guess. So I'm just going to show you how to do this really fast, and it'll tell you whether you're positive on the day or open, positive loss on the day, the profit loss on things that are open still, your positions, and then we need to bump this up though. So let's click OK. We're going to click play. We're going to zoom in on here. And we're going to play it. So why not? We're going to buy it. Yep. Sent. So we have at 12:07, it tells you your average. You bought on the ask. I got a feeling when you, yeah. I don't know why this isn't playing. As you see, this isn't moving. There it went. But basically you buy and you sell. So we have 500 shares. We're going to pop back up. Oh. We're going to wait a second. So basically we're going to fast forward this one. We're going to let it run a little bit. See if it comes back up. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. Who knows? I don't know, guys. I didn't do my research on this one. I just wanted to show you guys really fast. So this is what I'm doing. But for instance, we want to cut losses, but you see this green candle, it's starting to pop back up. So it looks like it found some support right in here. And then, as you see, it says we're down $90, $85. Nope, it's not coming back up. So we want to cut losses. Sell. That's how you practice. This is a really quick video. Please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps. If you guys have any questions, comment below. But this is the easiest thing. Make a watch list through it. Plan out your trades and then practice it using this. Very simple. I'll see you guys in Monday's video.